I have infrared sauna and the electricity doesn't work. Outlet is good. Does it have a fuse that can be replaced? Don't have instruction booklet.
Welcome. How can I help you today? On most saunas, the power control center is located on the roof of the unit. Open the door of the power control box and you will see a circuit board. You need to test for power into the control box to rule out the power cord. If you have power into the control box, then look on the circuit board itself and you will see a fuse, usually 20 amp. Remove and replace the fuse and then plug unit back in. If you still have no power, then you need to test voltage coming out of the board and down to the control panel inside the sauna, but first replace the fuse and test.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.